Blogging for a Living Perfect Small Budget Project Review. Hello, my name is Alex. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com. To get the course called Blogging for a Living Perfect Small Budget Project, all you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called Blogging for a Living Perfect Small Budget Project Udemy Coupon. Inside the article you will find two red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Blogging for a Living Perfect Small Budget Project. Are you ready to build a blog that can generate sales 24/7 on autopilot? Is your dream to have complete freedom to work when you want and from where you want? Follow along with me as we build a professional-looking blog from scratch, attract masses of traffic using nothing but free methods, and turn it into a fun and profitable online venture. The training starts out assuming that you have no prior knowledge but becomes more advanced as you progress through the course. Updated November 2021. Learn from an instructor with 20 years of experience in building blogs and websites and extensive online marketing experience. By the end of this course, you will have a fully fledged online business even if you don't yet know what to blog about. You will also know more than 99% of bloggers or would-be bloggers on the internet. Let's take a look at the top 6 reasons why everyone who strives to earn a living online should have a blog. Blogging is an ideal way to get free traffic from Google and other search engines. Blogging can be used to market almost anything from affiliate products, e-commerce, Amazon listings, and more. User-friendly technology available today makes blogging simple, even for non-techies. We can use blogging to turn our interests into profit. Almost any subject is suitable for monetization. It's virtually free. You can build and run a successful blog for less than $5 per month. A blog is an asset that can potentially be sold in the future. Imagine that your work is also something you enjoy doing. Most people only ever dream about earning a living from doing something they love. But some are using blogging to realize that dream, so why not you? Aside from the potential of earning an ongoing income, a blog is an asset. Blogs can sell for 4, 5, or even 6 figures. No knowledge or experience is required. You'll be following me, click by click, step by step, as you create a blog the right way. You'll monetize it, promote it using free methods, and finally, build a list of email subscribers so that you can double or more your income for the same amount of effort. You'll need to budget for around $5 per month. Throughout the course, I demonstrate every step in detail with over-the-shoulder lectures. You'll learn how to create posts, and which types of posts work best. You'll learn where and how to get content and ideas for your posts, and how to optimize for the search engines the simple way, and much, much more. I will review this course Blogging for a Living Perfect Small Budget Project with 5 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.